क्वेश्चन आवरा वेळार तुमचें आसतलें ज्या पद्दतीन ह्या सरकाराक आमी एक्सपोज केले, खास करून विथ द वे JSW साउथ वेस्ट स्पोर्ट्स हॅज बीन द ब्लू आयड बॉय ऑफ दीस गवर्नमेंट. आय से दॅट विथ प्रूफ टायम एंड ओवर अगेन. सुरवातेक ऑन द फर्स्ट डे क्वेश्चन तेमी आमगेलें जें आहलें सेसाचें, खास करून ग्रीन सेस रिकवरी जी जावपाक जाय, रिकवरी ऑलमोस्ट टू द ट्यून ऑफ 4,000 crores. हे 6 म्हयने आदीं आमी हे चार्ज घातलेलें. एट दॅट टायम चीफ मिनिस्टर हॅड assured us that when there was no stay in the court, he would make sure that he would send them notices. This government has done nothing to Adani, to Jindal or these major operators. फक्त तेम दाखयला आन्सरान 178 crores येवपा आहाय म्हणून. साधारण प्रश्न जरी तर चयल्यार बारीक लोकांचें इलेक्ट्रीक कनेक्शन, उदका कनेक्शन बंद करपाक हो सरकार नंबर 1 पयलो. आनीक बारीक बील पासून जरी तर 500 रुपयाचे जरी तर डिफॉल्ट जाला. बट टुडे 4,000 crores, दिस इज अ ह्यूज अमावंट. ग्रीन सेस हो कायदो मनोहर पर्रीकरान हाडिल्लो 2% आशिल्लें, मागीर तें 0.5% ऑन द टोटल टर्नओवर. So if you look from 2013 till now, JSW has not paid green cess. For 4 years, when their EC was about 5.2 million metric tons, they went to up to almost 10 million metric tons. While answering, Chief Minister said कि ना EC violate केला मो. मंत्री जो पण सिनियर आलो तो म्हणालो yes EC violate केला मो. Procedural lapses while giving this EC, पब्लिकाचो जो ओपिनियन आशिल्लो ते सगळे फ्रॉड जालेले आसा. सो व्हेरी क्लियर कट. एंड दे डोंट लायक टू बेसिकली ऑपोजिशन whenever we are pointing out pinpoint, we study and we come these issues, and these we will push that these recoveries are done. This is public money, this should come back. आज या पद्धतीन गोवा रीण आसा. Where are the financial crisis in Goa? And they are not bothered. Sending them putting assertion, the assurance committee for the chairman, he has to work on this. 6 months back this was assured. So favoritism, red tapeism is what this government is doing. There was a calling attention on accidents, and the way I highlighted about the accidents that are happening in the state of Goa, complete ek disan ek goinkar mota. No scientific study adopted, bad road conditions, transport ministry has failed. Rent a cab is a fraud. It's a fraud because rent a cab cannot be given licenses under the franchisee put a system केला. 100,200 सुमार लायसन्सीस दिले. आणि हितून कायदो सांगता की परमीट होल्डर आणि लायसन्स होल्डर एक आसपाक जाय. हिंगा 100,700 अंडर 10 पीपल ज्या काँग्रेसा टायमार एकूच आहलो रेंट कॅब. सो अंडर लीव एंड लायसन्स अग्रीमेंट, दिस इज अ फ्रॉड. दिस हॅज टू बी लुक्ड इन टू. इट इज अ फ्रॉड वेन आय से बिकॉज इट इज इलिगल. आनी हे रेंट कॅब तुम चोयला आसतले टुरिस्ट येताय, वयर बसताय, गाडयेवर बसताय आणि सायडीक कितें कितें हें कोताय, सोरपिताय. दिस इज दे डोंट अंडरस्टँड दी वेर दे आर हेडिंग, what they are doing under the influence of alcohol. Major accidents have happened. Going now part ye poil ko tai rent a cab. So I feel they have to have their own parking space. So technically if one person has 5,000 cars, he has to be able to show 5,000 cars parking. This is what is happening. So this also, there are a lot of outside drivers. It's a fraud. This is what we said. The chief minister said he would look into it. During demands we spoke on the fisheries department जे इलिगल फिशींग जाता, बुल ट्रॉलिंग जाता. हांवें सांगिल्लें तुगे डिपार्टमेंट मालगुडी टायमार फाशी चलता, मालगुडी टायमार दिसता तें जायले भुरगे आसता तें दिसतालें. त्याच पद्दतीन हिंग दिसता. तें खात्याचें कितें करपाक कांय खबर ना, लक्ष ना. एनिमल हजबंड्री इतले डॉग बायट वाडोत आसा. मंत्री कितें आन्सर दिता तो हांव कांयच खबर. ही वॉज रिडींग समथींग. हांव हिंचालो एक, तो उलयता दुसरोच. आमी इंसाल्लें तें तो बरोवन काय येयल ना तो पयलीं केदो कालचो रिप्लाय जाला खबर ना सो आमी तितून भितर पडले सो म्हाका दिसता चोयल्यार 2 weeks yes the opposition has possibly rattled it is in the interest of the state at the start we had said that we have to unitedly fight and everyone is doing a commendable job in the opposition in fact ruling MLAs are also questioning the private members resolution you saw the strategy is absolutely gallop prashna and absent राव this is not good for democracy ही लोकशाहीची हत्या आणि जे पळयताय प्रायवेट मेंबर्स रेजोल्युशन 5 घालपा आहली आमगे एकू आहले आज आणि तेंगे दोग जाय एबसंट रावले सो हूंय ना हूंय म्हाका दिसता यू ऑल कॅन सी द पीपल आर वॉचिंग एंड आय एम कॉन्फिडंट इन द नेक्स्ट वीक देर आर मेजर डिमांड्स technically it had to be an 18-day session but chief minister when I said is fat but is not fit on I believe Wednesday, Thursday, Friday दोन दिसान I think he's going to answer almost 60 portfolios so you can imagine he has to give us time every department requires time today there were 3 departments I spoke say for instance for 40 minutes how much time will you speak when you have 30 portfolios
मेटलो को दिसता टाइम
मेटलो न्हू तेंक हिंग रावपा पडलें 2 वरांचे पासून सकाळीचे आम उलयतले मरे उलोवपाकूय येयले ना आमी उलोवपाक मेळना जाल्यार मागीर आमी कितें आहा
एकदा जाला न्हू 3 जाले एकदा ती
ना सकाळ 7 पासून जाय भूमिपुत्र बिल हाडो मत तेमी सकाळ 3 बिल हाडपाचें
You mentioned that a green cess was not been paid from 2013. So why opposition was silent on this?
See, I was not an MLA boss in 2013. For your inference, I was flying in 2013. So why opposition was silent? Who was the opposition at that time? You asked most of the opposition at that time is now in the ruling. So you ask them only, you ask the ruling. You have to